Look at this. This is mental.
The city of Cape Town is battling severe flooding and widespread chaos following a powerful storm that struck the metro early Tuesday morning. Unrelenting rainfall has triggered significant disruptions, leaving roads submerged, walls collapsed, and emergency services stretched thin across several suburbs. City officials report that multiple roads have been transformed into rivers, making many areas impassable and leading to numerous traffic accidents and vehicle breakdowns. The intense downpour has resulted in blocked stormwater drains, mudslides, and debris buildup, which have contributed to widespread gridlock, especially in areas like Tableview, Wynberg, and Parow. "We are experiencing one of the most intense rainfalls in recent years," said a spokesperson from the city's Disaster Risk Management Center. "Our teams are on the ground assisting with evacuations, clearing obstructions, and responding to emergencies." One of the most concerning incidents involved a wall collapse in a residential.
Kalau udah jadi kompan dote ya, karena kompan dote ya, kayak ini mau buka, ini kompan dote ya, ini mau bunuh. Kayak aku kaenda, ya ini mana ini bau.
Though no injuries were immediately reported. Meanwhile, several communities were forced to evacuate due to rising water levels, with rescue operations ongoing in the worst-hit zones. Motorists have been urged to avoid non-essential travel as emergency services work around the clock to manage the situation. Public transport has also been disrupted, with delays and cancellations reported throughout the day. Weather forecasters are warning that the rain may persist into the evening, with the South African Weather Service issuing an orange-level warning for continued heavy rainfall and potential flash flooding. Residents are advised to stay indoors where possible, monitor updates from official channels, and report any emergencies to the city's 24-hour call center. As Cape Town continues to navigate through the storm, authorities are urging calm and caution, emphasizing that safety remains the top priority in the face of this extreme weather event. Report from Nature Reality TV.